So today we'll be working on the element fire. Keep on breathing. Allow your body to breathe and feel the temperature of the body. How do you feel the internal temperature of the body? Keep on breathing and keep on feeling it. Keep on breathing and feel the body temperature. Make a note of it. The element fire, it represents fever, skin disease like inflammation, increased coldness or heat in the body. It also represents sweating, hyperacidity, slow digestion, and it also takes care of the nutrients, toxins and diabetes. So I repeat, fire element, when it is high, it can cause fever, it can cause skin diseases like inflammation. It can also increase the coldness or heat in the body. And when the element fire is low, then it can cause coldness. It can give higher sweating, hyperacidity, and it can also has the ability to slow your digestion and absorption of nutrients, toxins, diabetes. So feel your body now. Feel the temperature of your body now. Feel. Do you feel your body is colder or it is in the heat side? It could be any of the two. Now feel in your solar plexus in the center of your body. Feel the heat, the power. You know solar plexus above your navel, that is yellow in color. Feel the power in that. There will be a control. So I take back the control of my body temperature. I take back the control of my body temperature. And normalize your body temperature to the warm. It needs to be warm, pleasant. Feel that happening. Allow your body to feel warm and pleasant when it comes to the temperature. Neither too much heat nor the coldness. And when you control the body temperature, you will see the body is feeling very pleasant and good with your own self. This is the best way to control element fire in the body. And now, feel the skin. Do you feel skin burning or the inflammation in the skin when you go out in the sun, or maybe when you are around the fireplaces? Do you easily feel irritation and rashes on your skin? If yes, allow your body to feel the warmness that you have created just now and spread it over your skin and allow your skin to feel the pleasantness. Feel it as much as possible. It will also help the skin to get rid of pimples, acne. So feel the pleasantness on your skin. And in case if you feel your skin is getting dry, or you're having wrinkles, or you're looking mature, this will help you to again take back the elasticity of the skin. Feel the tightness, youngness on the skin. Allow your skin to glow. With the coldness, skin might feel dry, and with the excess fire, skin will feel burnt. So neither of the two is needed. Feel moderate, natural. And if you feel you have excessive sweating, or maybe you don't sweat at all, so feel the excess sweating without any workout is the reason of higher element of fire, and this can cause weakness in the body. So allow this moderate feeling of the body to go into your digestive system and neutralize the process of the digestive system to the normal, how it is originally supposed to be. More you neutralize, more you are going to feel good. And collect the fire in the body and allow it to feel in your immune system that needs little fire to take care of the entire body, but it knows how to give, where to give, how much to give. So allow the consciousness in your immune system to come back and understand the existence of immune system for the body. I allow my body to feel the pleasantness of the element fire, the real purpose of element fire in the body. And now slowly take your attention to the acidic reflex in your body that is just near your chest and above your solar plexus. So just below your chest, there's acid reflex that helps the food. The drop of the acid reflex goes with the food so that the food can get broke into the digestive system. So take your attention there. When there is excess heat, you will see the acid coming in reverse, so that creates hyperacidity. So go there and allow that area of your body to get neutralized. If you feel that there is any suppressed anger, give a color and release it out. Take back your pleasant feeling there in your acid reflex. That is just below your chest, in center of your chest, just below. And if you feel there is any acidity, excess acidity, feel the water body, the water element. Feel the earth element, neutralizing it. And the element fire going down into the lower chakras where it is needed. Keep on breathing. And if you feel, now take your attention lower into your body, in your stomach, in your abdomen, lower abdomen, and feel if there are any toxins in the body that got created because excess fire element creates toxins. In short, किसी भी चीज को आप ज्यादा उबालोगे तो वो गाढ़ा हो जाता है. So it creates the toxins. So when it is thick in nature, it is not easily coming out, neither it is serving to the body. Okay? So when you're lowering down the fire element, allow any toxins in the body to come out. Either you can feel the sunlight taking away like a vacuum cleaner, or you can feel it coming out of your excretion. And if you feel any heat or any burning sensation in your genitals, feel the water element and the earth element to take it away. Allow your body to come and to balance the fire element. The fire element is only 4% in the body, not more than that. So reduce the temperature of the fire element or reduce the quantity of the fire element to 4% in the body. It is not needed more than that. And now, once you have released and balanced your organs, fire also helps to form hunger, thirst, and sleep. Hunger, thirst, and sleep. If you feel excess hunger in your body, the fire element is at the higher side. If you don't feel hungry at all, or you feel low in hunger, again the fire element is at the low level. So allow the element fire to balance your hunger that is present in your stomach, in your digestive system. Or you can just give a thought into your body from your brain. I balance my hunger, my thirst, totally and completely. And when the fire element is at the higher side, you feel sleepless and heavy. And when it is at lower side, you sleep a lot and feel lazy. So the fire element also boosts your energy because it has ability to pass the nutrients in the body. So allow the fire element to balance your sleep. So allow your fire element to get connected with the sunlight, and the sunlight will be the message to the body when to produce the fire element and when to reduce. So with the sunset, the fire element reduces. Anger, aggression is a sign of fire that gets very high in the body. So if you feel that you have anger and fire that creates aggression, breathe into it and let it go. Because the element fire has the ability to create anger and aggression without any reason. So When you are lowering down your fire element to 4%, this time allow your anger and aggression that got created to let it go. And if you feel that you're lacking in the creativity that you have the most, it can happen when the element fire reduces. So I take back my creativity with the balance of the fire. Fire element, the sense that gets controlled by fire element is sight. You see. So when the fire element is getting excess, there's a possibility that there will be a issue in your eyesight, whether it is less or whether it is high. It gives issues in the eyesight. So it rules eye. So feel the element eye and allow any damage that got caused with the element fire, whether it is higher or lower, let it go. It's over. And repay your eyes now. I see clearly. Neither the anger nor the aggression is needed to see. I see with compassion and balance. So when the element fire now getting balance in your body, take back your confidence, your courage, your metabolism, your drive and creativity. I repeat, the balance of fire now receive back your confidence, your courage, your metabolism, your drive and creativity. And allow your body to feel this right now. Keep on feeling it as much as possible. Now from the top of your head till the toe of your leg, fire has ability to melt out anything that got formed and does not belong to the body. Fire has ability to form solid into liquid and liquid into gas. Scan your body and allow the pleasures, the passion to be present in the body totally and completely as much as possible. And allow your brain to balance the element fire. Keep on breathing. Now allow your body to balance 72% of water, 12% of earth element, and 4% of fire element. Allow it to happen. Give the message to your brain. 72% of pure water, 12% of grounded and nourished energies of earth, and 4% of fire element, that is more than enough for your metabolic rate, for your body. Allow it to happen. Allow the balance to happen. And take back your confidence, your courage, your creativity. Feel the compassion and peace on your skin. And keep on breathing. Bring your awareness back into the body. Integrate, integrate, integrate. Feel your back, feel your shoulder, feel top of your head. And when you feel right, bring back your awareness into the room and open your eyes. Take your time. Thank you.